Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in NPF Microfinance account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is enter this link NPF Microfinance Bank plc.ng. Simply press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of NPF Microfinance Bank. Over here you'll be able to find several options. Simply click on the profile icon that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to find the option for sign in, create account and my account. If you do not have the account yet, simply click on the option create account and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account and if you want to log in to your account, simply click on this option sign in. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. In order to log into your account, all you have to do is enter your email and password. So simply click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter the registered email address over here. Now after doing that, enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option reset password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now after you provide the credentials, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in NPF Microfinance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.